Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Jaga's Kitchen Vlogs, and today we have Dashra Navratri Day 7 special, and that is, before I tell you that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Today, our recipe is kobbari annam. It's so delicious, you have to try it for sure. So without wasting one more minute, let's get started. End of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.